This one is BMW 316i from 2012, and currently we are going to change its starting battery, as this one is the website where you can find the original spare part, bmwfans.info. Here you can put your VIN number of your vehicle and then decode it. We will browse parts. Here we will go to the engine electrical system. Here, as you can see, the battery details. Currently we are going to install this Varta, which is 95 ampere an hour, as you can see, and this one is with silver dynamic AGM Varta. This product is, you can see, is made in Germany with start stop plus function. This one is the turbo 316i. Currently we have placed a backup battery so that when we will plug out the originally installed battery, the computer will not go into deboot phase and it will be, the computer of this vehicle will not shut down. Let me show you the original battery. It is installed in the bucket of this vehicle. This is the clamp here. We are going to unplug. We are going to open these bolts here and here, this one and this one, and then we will remove it. You can see that this one is 90Ah 900 AEN, which is 100% compatible with the Varta G14 battery. As you can see that now we have covered it with positive terminal with the cloth. Please check this third board will be should be removed. It is placed in this position. You will find it here. You will unclamp this one also so that the battery will come outside. One is going to be replaced with Varta G14. ठीक है. The size and specification of both of the batteries is same. Just consider this one. This is the pipe vent for the battery, and it should be installed with the new one also. This one was the bolt, as you can see here. This bolt should be removed to clamp the battery outside and inside. As you can see, the terminals are now tightly clamped, of both of the terminals. You can see that this space of terminal is upside to the surface of this clamp. As terminal is a tapered one surface, so it should sit and touch to the surface of this spare part and should be tightened. This nut should be tightened so that there should be no play while moving this back and forth, both of the terminals. Now we are going to we have installed scanner and we will check all the fault codes, plus we are going to register the battery at current kilometers. It is the most important task after replacing the battery. We will check health report of this vehicle and remove all the fault codes which would be erased due to the previously installed faulty battery. These are not critical fault codes, these are minor fault codes and should be removed with the scanner. Okay. Chalo. As you can see, all of the fault codes are now gone. This is the fault code in the footwell module. We will read the fault code. Short circuit cylinders. This one is a mechanical task and will be checked by the mechanic. Now we are going to register the battery.
मैंने चेक करने के लिए
And same capacity करें. Now we are going to enter the BM code which is written on the battery and will register it.
Thanks for watching. Wajid since Pakistan.